Hello everybody, welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. That is 2 cups of water going on to boil to make some Idahoan roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Now I need half a cup of mashed potatoes because I'm making this. Right, y'all. Shamrock dinner rolls. And right here it says half a cup of hot mashed potatoes. Now here I've got 1 cup of scalded milk. It's all scalded and cooling down. And that's going to go in our bowl. Like that right there. Scalded milk. Yep. So there's that. We have a 1/4 cup of shortening. And put that in the warm milk. That's going to go in here. Nice and easy like. Looks good. Let's get all slippery slidey today. Why not, right? There we go. One more. Hot water, hot water, hot water. Soap. Alright. Need a 1.5 teaspoons salt. So I want to put a little bit of, get a hold of it, righty. 1.5 teaspoons salt. About like that. Good enough. I'm going to go in here. Land here. For some reason. There we go. That's close enough. Just stir these in. Then they sit for a few minutes. There. I'll just use the fork that had the, or the spoon that had the, I'll just use the spoon that had the shortening on it. Why not, right? That sounds weird because I just got up a little bit ago. There we go. Alright. I'm going to need a 1/2 cup of those to go in over here. Get my 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of taters. Going to go up in here. So I will smack this on here. The rest of the taters are mine. Isn't that cool? Oh, I left it dead. I left a little divot. We can't have that. There we go. Okay, well I'm having to do a voiceover because my microphone's freaking out again on my camera. So anyway, we've got our 1/2 cup of mashed potatoes. We're going to put them up in here. These are our garlic mashed potatoes. Yes, yes, garlic butter mashed potatoes. Instant variety. Still warm, as you've seen. So I'll put them in the bowl with everything else that's in the bowl from earlier. And what do we do next here? We wait. I'm reading, I suppose. I think I take my yeast mixture and an egg and put in here. I've let the milk cool, the scalded milk cool down. Running about in the kitchen and stuff. Always a fun thing to do. Oh yeah, here we go. 1/4 cup of sugar goes in. Just like this here. Boom. Close enough to a 1/4 cup of sugar. And now what am I doing? Okay, I'm going to put the dough hook on. There's my yeast. That's going to get dumped in here, I think. Or I'm waiting for it to cool off. That's right. This mixture is still too hot to put the yeast in. So we're going to mix, and I'll see you when it gets done. I can scoop that down and scrape that side down a bit. Right here. Scrape that down. Scrape that down just a bit there, would you? And they're supposed to let this cool to lukewarm. I'm not even sure what temperature it is now. I'm let that cool just a little bit more. Okay? Meantime, I'll just keep it stirred on low. That'll do. I got an egg just sitting here waiting too. La-dee-dee, la-dee-dee. Okay, doke, folks. Lukewarm. 1 egg. Boink. In you go. Just like so. Chickenitis. Rips your finger. Just like so. In goes the yeast. Nice foamy yeast. Thusly. Okay. Rinse that off a little bit here. Mama's trying to make us coffee. Okay. Mix that up. Yes, they can probably see you right now. A little bit of you. Ooh, an arm. Then we're going to start adding flour. Turn 2 cups of the flour. So we're going to put 2 cups of flour in to start with, it says. Right in the book. Make sure that yolk got broke. Dr. Seussing it up in here. Alright. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour. There's 2 cups of the flour. It's going to take 4 to 4.5 cups of flour, it saith. We'll get 2 in here pretty easy. Then we just add enough of the rest of the 2.5 to make a soft dough. Well, here we go. I had it mixing in my stand mixer for about 3 minutes. 3.5 minutes or so. Got a nice, very soft dough. It says soft. I made soft. You want soft? I got you. Soft up in here. Look at that, huh? I'm going to take that off here. There we go. Yoinkage, just like that. Did I get it? I think so. Come on off of there. There you go. You go in here. And take our dough into a slightly greased bowl. I'm cheating today. I'm using my proofing setting on my oven. If you don't have an oven proof set, just leave it on the counter till it doubles in size. Or, a little trick, you can turn just the light bulb on in your oven and use the heat from your light bulb to your advantage. There we go. And there it is. Alright. I'm going to flip that over. I'm going to throw a towel over the top of this into the proofer until double. I'll see you when it doubles. Well, this is going to be an easy part. Check it out. Our dough has risen. It has risen. I'll put it on the counter here. Dump it out. Borf. It's like so. Beautiful. Let go with your fingers and stuff there. Alright. We'll flip it over into a ball. Like so. Alright. Punching it down as we go. Punch down. Check this out. Cover. And let it rest for 10 minutes. See you back here. 10 minutes, I guess. Well, okie dokie. 10 minutes it has been. I'm going to take, it says this makes like 24 little dinner rolls. I'm trying to decide if I want to use this size or this size. We're going with this size.
Big is always better.
Yes. Then it says to punch these out into balls. Balls. I'm just going to pat them down like this. And I'm going to biscuit style cut them because I think it'll work better. Because I'm, you know, a badass sometimes like that. We'll get this in here in the flowage. One, like that, see? Then, it says to cut it in 3 places, almost to the center. 1, 2, 3, and then a little snip here, right? Onto a greased baking sheet right here, which I will set right there. Okay? We'll redo the little cut thing. 1, 2. That looks good. Okay. Then I'm going to cut out another one. Repeat the process. Wash, rinse, repeat. Onto there. Cut it in 3 spots. Almost to the center. Okay. There we go. Right there, and then a little split right there. Okay. I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to keep doing this. Well, folks, here you go. Even the greats have a bad day. We had a sticking problem here. So, yeah, when you get covering these with your towels or plastic, spray a little bit of cooking spray on top of your rolls first. These are the ones that towel destroyed. I had to re-roll it, reform everything, and start all over again with the rising process. It's just not going to hurt it. Rising it twice could actually help. But, yeah, I've got the oven coming up. I'm going to bake these. And then these ones are going to have to wait for a little bit and then go in here. But, yeah, just figured I'd show you. That's going to be a mess to get out of there. Yeah. Yep. Might just let it dry and then beat it on the edge of the freaking handrail outside. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, Bobby. Well, I guess I'm going to see what happens with this first batch. 2 of them collapsed when they stuck to the towel. But they're still, we'll see if they puff up when I bake them. 400 degrees, center rack. And these are going to go 10 to 12 minutes. You know what that means? 11. And start. We'll see you in 11 minutes and see what they look like. Then I'm going to let them other ones rise for a while. Okie doke. Here we go. Second batch. They re-rose again. They look good. See? Going in. Middle rack. Again, 11 minutes. If I can find the timer.
Yes.
11 minutes. I'll see you in 11. Okie doke. Here we go. 11 minutes in the oven rodeo. And out pops little Shamrock dinner rolls. Look at that. Hey. Got them like that. Looks like a little Shamrock. A little stem and the leaves. Pretty cool, huh? Little Shamrock. And what you're supposed to do now is brush them like that. See? Little Shamrocks. You're supposed to brush them with butter at this point and serve them up. In this case, no. They're going to get reheated on Thanksgiving at Squeeks' house, and then they butter them there. Now I'm going to put these on that cooler, let them sit for a little bit. We'll get a better look at them. There they are, folks. Shamrock. Dinner rolls. Thank you, LEG the mama. I'm sober, so you got to forgive me. I'm sorry. Can't talk. Yep, there you go. They look like little Shamrocks. And like I said, you're supposed to slather them with butter as soon as they came out. These are going to be reheated, then butter them. Otherwise, it's just going to make a sticky-ass mess.
Oh, and hard.
Hard. Mama said hard.
Never.
Anyways, there you go. Shamrock dinner rolls. Compliments of Hands On with BLG. Oh, by the way, the mashed potatoes I used were garlic mashed potatoes too. Yeah, that's right. You saw me make those at the beginning of the video. I sampled my big one. They're damn good, folks. Buttery and garlicky. So, till the next time, folks. Hit that like and subscribe. Pass the word. Share these videos. All that good crap. Peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.